What is it? It's a green bean. You picked up off the kitchen floor. It's underneath you. What a naughty green bean. Oh. Oh, go get it. You get that little green bean.